Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore the Notes chat background in the Viber app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to tap on My Notes to open your Notes section. This is where all your personal notes and reminders are stored within Viber, giving you a private space to jot down important information or save things for later reference. Once you're inside your notes, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 dots there which represent the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down list of options. This menu contains various settings and features specifically related to your Notes chat. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Chat Info. This option will take you to a dedicated settings page where you can customize and manage different aspects of your Notes chat, including personalization features and display preferences. Now that you're on the Chat Info page, you'll see several customization options available. Look for the option labeled Chat Background and tap on it. This is where you can control the visual appearance of your Notes chat, allowing you to change or restore the background to your preferred setting. After tapping on Chat Background, you'll be taken to the background selection screen. Here you can see the default background option displayed. This is the original background that came with Viber, designed to provide a clean and standard look for your Notes chat. It's the perfect choice if you want to return to the familiar classic appearance. Go ahead and tap on the default background to select it. As soon as you tap it, the background will be immediately applied to your Notes chat, restoring it back to its original state without any additional confirmation needed. And that's it. You've successfully restored your Notes chat background to the default setting in Viber, bringing back that clean, original look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.